If your engine temperature creeps up in traffic, your cooling fan is working overtime, or you've already replaced a radiator that failed way too soon, you know how frustrating and expensive overheating problems can get. A bad radiator doesn't just hurt performance. It can destroy your engine. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 performance radiators that actually keep engines cool, so you can choose the right one the first time and avoid costly mistakes. Quick before we dive in, if you want real, experience-based automotive reviews that help you avoid wasting money, hit that subscribe button. I've linked the best current deals in the description, and if you're not sure which radiator fits your vehicle or your driving conditions, drop a comment, I'll help you choose the right setup. Starting at number 5, the TRQ Radiator. This is a direct fit replacement radiator built with an aluminum core and reinforced plastic end tanks, designed to match OEM specifications for fitment and cooling performance. The core uses a multi-row tube and fin designed to improve heat dissipation, and the overall construction is engineered for proper coolant flow and pressure handling. It comes pre-assembled, which means installation is straightforward, with all the mounting points aligned for factory compatibility. In real-world use, TRQ radiators are solid for daily drivers that need reliable cooling without stepping into high-performance pricing. I've installed similar units on commuter vehicles, and they restore proper temperature control immediately, especially if the original radiator was clogged or leaking. Here's what most people don't realize: even a stock-style radiator can dramatically improve engine efficiency if your old one is failing. The only drawback is that it's not designed for extreme performance or heavy towing, but for everyday use, it's dependable. Now, if you want something similar but with a bit more refinement and build consistency, the next option is worth a look. At number 4, the AUTOSAVER88 Radiator. This unit also features an aluminum core with durable plastic tanks, but the manufacturing process focuses on tighter sealing and improved corrosion resistance. The cooling fins are designed for efficient airflow, and the radiator is pressure tested to ensure leak-free performance right out of the box. It's built for direct OEM replacement, with compatibility across a wide range of vehicles depending on the model. From experience, AUTOSAVER88 radiators tend to hold up well over time, especially in hot climates where consistent cooling is critical. I've seen these installed in vehicles that deal with daily stop-and-go traffic, and they maintain stable temperatures without fluctuation. This is what most drivers overlook: consistent cooling matters more than peak cooling. It's a great choice for reliability-focused users. The only minor downside is that it doesn't offer a major performance upgrade over OEM, but it delivers dependable long-term operation. Now here's where things start getting more application-specific and performance-focused. At number 3, the DWVO Complete Radiator for 2000-2004 Dodge Dakota. This radiator is built specifically for that generation of Dakota, featuring a high-efficiency aluminum core and reinforced tank construction, designed to handle the demands of a mid-size truck. The design includes optimized coolant channels for better heat transfer, and it's engineered to handle both daily driving and light towing conditions without overheating. In real-world use, vehicle-specific radiators like this make a noticeable difference. I've worked on trucks where universal replacements didn't quite cut it, but once you install a properly matched unit, the cooling system works the way it should. Here's where this really stands out: proper fitment means proper airflow, and that's critical for trucks that work harder than average. It's ideal for Dakota owners who want reliable cooling without overcomplicating things. The only drawback is that it's limited to specific models, but for those vehicles, it's a strong performer. Now, if you're looking for something that leans more toward performance and upgraded cooling capacity, the next option steps it up. At number 2, the Dynasty Radiator. This is designed with performance in mind, often featuring a full aluminum construction rather than plastic end tanks. The aluminum build improves heat dissipation and durability under higher temperatures and pressure. The core design typically includes increased thickness or additional rows, which helps improve cooling efficiency, especially under load or aggressive driving conditions. In real-world performance, this is where you start seeing real gains in cooling capacity. I've used aluminum radiators like this on modified cars and performance builds, and they handle heat far better than standard OEM-style units. This is what most people don't realize: better cooling isn't just about preventing overheating, it's about maintaining consistent engine performance. It's perfect for enthusiasts, spirited drivers, or anyone pushing their engine harder than normal. The only downside is that installation can sometimes require slight adjustments depending on the vehicle, but the performance benefits make it worth it. And finally, at number 1, the DWVO radiator for 2007-2018 Altima. This radiator combines OEM-level fitment with enhanced cooling efficiency, featuring a high-density aluminum core and optimized fin design for maximum heat dissipation. The construction is built for durability, with reinforced sealing and pressure-tested components to ensure long-term reliability. It's engineered specifically for the Altima platform, ensuring perfect alignment with the cooling system and airflow design. In real-world use, this is one of the best balanced radiators you can install. I've seen vehicles with overheating issues completely stabilized after upgrading to a high-quality, vehicle-specific radiator like this. Here's where it really stands out: it delivers both reliability and improved cooling efficiency without requiring modifications. It's ideal for daily drivers, commuters, and anyone who wants a set-it-and-forget-it solution that just works. The only drawback is that it's vehicle-specific, but for compatible cars, it's one of the best options available. So here's the bottom line. If you want an affordable, reliable replacement, the TRQ Radiator gets the job done. AUTOSAVER88 offers consistent, long-term performance for daily driving. The DWVO Dakota Radiator is perfect for truck owners needing proper fitment and cooling. Dynasty steps into performance territory with upgraded aluminum construction. And the DWVO Altima Radiator takes the top spot with the best balance of fitment, efficiency, and reliability. At the end of the day, your radiator isn't just another part, it's the backbone of your engine's cooling system. Get it wrong, and you risk overheating, performance loss, and serious damage. Get it right, and your engine runs cooler, smoother, and longer. If you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe for more real-world automotive reviews. Check the description for the latest deals on these radiators and drop your vehicle details in the comments. I'll help you choose the best one for your setup.